Are you caring for a child who isn't biologically yours? You might be wondering, should I apply for guardianship or adoption? Let's break down the legal differences and help you make the right decision. What is legal guardianship in South Africa? Did you know you can care for a child and make legal decisions without adopting them? It's called guardianship. Many relatives, caregivers assume adoption is their only option, but guardianship offers another legal route. Legal guardianship is when a person is given authority by the court to care for a child and make important decisions on their behalf. Guardianship allows you to exercise key responsibilities like decisions on healthcare or schooling without removing the biological parent's legal status, unless the court explicitly terminates or limits those rights. It's often used in cases where a child's parents are deceased, unable or unwilling to care for a child, but adoption isn't suitable or necessary. So what is adoption in South African law? Adoption isn't just about care. It legally changes a child's status forever. Adoption is a legal process that creates a permanent parent-child relationship between the adoptive parent and the child. Written consent from a child's biological parent is legally required, and for children aged 10 and above, written consent from the child is legally required. If a biological parent cannot be located, proof needs to be provided that all possible measures have been taken to locate them. Once the adoption is granted, the adoptive parent becomes the child's legal parent in every way, and the rights and responsibilities of the biological parents are terminated. Adoption requires a thorough legal and social process, including an investigation by a social worker, a court application, and the consent of the biological parents, unless they are deceased or their rights have been removed by the court. Key differences between guardianship and adoption. Not sure whether guardianship or adoption is right for you? Here are the key differences quickly explained. The main differences between guardianship and adoption are permanence. Adoption is permanent and guardianship can be temporary or limited in scope. Parental rights. Adoption ends the biological parent's legal right and guardianship does not. The legal status. Adoptive parents becomes full legal parents and guardians are custodians with legal powers. Inheritance. Adoptive children inherit automatically. With guardianship, inheritance must be arranged by a will. Your choice depends on your long-term intentions and the child's circumstances. When should you apply for guardianship? Not every child needs to be adopted. Sometimes guardianship is the right legal fit. Guardianship can be ideal for grandparents, relatives, and foster carers seeking legal authority without permanent adoption. Caregivers can apply for guardianship when they are caring for a child whose parents are absent or unfit, but you don't want to sever the legal tie. The child is older and wants to maintain a legal link to the biological family. They need legal authority for schooling, healthcare, or travel, but don't intend to adopt. Guardianship gives you legal standing without permanently altering the child's legal identity. So when is adoption then the better option? Sometimes a child needs more than temporary care. They need permanent legal parents. Adoption offers stability and legal certainty when reunification with biological parents isn't possible or appropriate. Only eligible persons such as single adults, married couples, life partners, or foster carers may apply subject to approval. Adoption is the better option when the biological parents are deceased, unknown, or unfit, and there's no plan for reunification. You want to offer the child full legal security as part of your family permanently. You're already caring for the child and wish to formalize the relationship for full legal rights. Adoption ensures the child receives all the rights, protections, and inheritance of a biological child. Whether you choose guardianship or adoption, both paths offer protection and care for the child involved. The key is choosing the option that suits your situation legally and emotionally. Visit www.burgerhuyserattorneys.co.za for guidance from our experienced legal team and let us support you every step of the way. Like, follow, and share to help others understand their rights.